We need to assemble pipe layer. Move the part to its place. Move the part to the right place. Ready. Help the car make its way. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Now you try! Keep up the good work! Lay pipes for the pool. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Move the gearbox lever. Choose the next game. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Move the tool to clean the stain. Now it's your turn. Let's paint over the discolorations. Ready. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle onto its place. Hooray!